Improve the quality of your day with this yoga routine. If you subscribed, don't forget to activate the notifications bell so you can see any of my videos. Start your morning with this yoga routine. It will help you erase negative thoughts, boost your energy, and increase your physical resistance. It doesn't matter if you have never tried or the age you have. You also can do yoga. Improve your flexibility, posture, circulation, reduce stress, negative thoughts, and it helps you to lose weight among many other benefits. I'm not an expert, but I would like to share what I know with you. A little daily practice which will enrich your day. You'll notice how great you'll feel afterwards. Do this routine in the morning or before you go to sleep, and your day will be different. Remember to use a yoga mat, relax, breathe, don't make hard moves, and the most important, listen to your body. Welcome to this 10-minute routine. Starting breathing profoundly, and let's get started. We'll start with the cat pose. Use your hands and knees as support. Place your knees vertically below your hips. Wrists, shoulders, and elbows should be in one line. Inhale, arching the back. Exhale and curve your spinal column by pointing to the roof. Change again. Contract your abs well. Keep inhaling and exhaling profoundly while changing your pose. Feel how you are relaxing your spinal column. Calm your mind while you release tension and stress. You will see how the functioning of your body organs improve. One more time. Inhale. Exhale. Last time. Arch. Inhale. Forward. Exhale. Go on, stretch your arms well. Incorporate and go back to your position. Incorporate and go back to your position. Stretch your arms well. Incorporate. Again, stretch well, as much as you can. Back and arms and up. One more time. Stretch and calm your mind. One more time. Stretch and get up. One more time. Next pose. Leave your knees, toes pointed, contract your abs. Exhale and contract your back. Inhale and return to the cat pose. Get back up. Exhale, contract the abdomen and stretch your back. Inhale, cat pose. Lift up again. Cat pose. Another time. Exhale, contract your abs, stretch your back. One more time. Exhale, contract your abs. Cat pose. Exhale, contract your abs. In this pose, we'll change our knees, bend to the right, left, right, left. Stay in the same position, but with the knees bent. Hands are touching the floor. And calm your mind. Get back up slowly. Shoulders backwards. Inhale, exhale, shoulders backwards, inhale, exhale. One more time. Feel that your body is relaxing. Open your arms as much as you can. Hug yourself. Open your arms. Hug yourself. Do it with me. Hug yourself. One more time. Hug yourself. Now stretch up your arms as high as you can. Go down and lift up again. Stretch. Inhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Congratulations, you are now ready for a marvelous day. And if you do this routine at night, you're ready for a good night rest. How did it go? As you can see, it's very easy and it will give you many benefits to expand your day. On my Instagram account, I post sometimes yoga poses, which you can also try at home. Remember that the more profound you practice yoga, the better your benefits will be. Here I leave you with more exercises. If you liked this video, remember to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to see more videos.